Time for him to come in. This is the studio now.
He's coming now. He's coming now.
This place for the studio now. This place, just go here.
Okay, so I want you to see our obsolete equipment. We need change.
We are still reaching out.
Not as expected.
What's the expectation?
The head of programs, take over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the expectation?
We expect to reach the entire nation, but we're incapacitated because we do not have the system to meet that need. And right now what we are doing, because of the power issue we have here, we're also limited because we are just on GoTV and StarTimes. And the StarTimes is not very okay right now. So we're restricted to the GoTV, which also is not giving us what we desire. So we wish to go back on terrestrial, that's NEPA, so that we can satisfy our customers. And if the government can help us to acquire the license that will enable us to go further, national, that would go a very long way. Sir? Some time ago we had made the case and unupdated, but because of the kind of manpower we have here, we're able to sustain. Okay.
All right, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the program Stewardship with SNB. But today is a special one because we have a special guest in the studio in person of Vice Admiral retired Ebokete IBAS, the sole administrator of River State. Your Excellency, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much.
All right, I'm also joined with my colleague, Omoyele Paka is also in the studio.
Thank you for having me here.
All right, Your Excellency, this is the first time a chief executive of a state is visiting RSTV studios. And we believe that as you make leave of the premises, even the sand you shake off from your shoes will bless this land. I believe so. Do you have a different view?
No, of course I don't.
All right, Your
because we
Excellency,
know that he's going to write his name in the Times of River State Television.
Your Excellency, RSTV is in this year's budget, but up till now, the station has not been upgraded. Can you say something about it?
Thank you very much for having me in your studio. I'm happy you had also alluded to the fact that RSTV is in the budget for the year, and it is for that singular reason that I have decided to come and see for myself what you have here.
Okay.
And I also believe because of the importance you give to a facility like this one, where your responsibility is to disseminate information, educate, and enlighten, I think it's just the best thing to do, to be here to see what the challenges are, and then to identify those areas we can prioritize and intervene. The budget has just been passed, and we are in the process of executing the various aspects of the budget.
That's good. Okay, so how soon should we expect a change? Tell you the truth, Your Excellency, we have been in this state for as long as people can remember, and it's not a nice thing to be here.
See, that's one very interesting thing. You have waited for all these years, and now that the soup is almost ready, I think you just have to be patient. And then you also work with the team from the ministry.
Yeah.
You work with stakeholders, and then I'm sure that something has been in the offing, and then we'll be able to identify just the best equipment that you can have within the constraints of the budget.
Excellency, just before you leave our studio, in what ways do you intend to leave unforgettable footprints in River State? as you round off?
Yeah, thank you for that question. I grew up as a young man. I started my career here as a young officer. And, River State was a very pleasant place to be, peaceful, loving. We had very hospitable people. And I still believe that we have such here. I'm happy with the engagements we've had so far, and I am assured that as we step aside, that we'll have a River State that every Nigerian would love to
identify with.
And identify with.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thank you
for